This conference will now be recorded.
Perfect. Now, let's understand the next piece. Start writing. The next data type is called map. Put a heading called as map, M-A-P, map. Right? Write down. Map is a collection of key value pair. Map is a collection of key value pair. Map is a collection of key value pair identified by their indexes. Identified by their indexes. Map is a collection of key value pair identified by their indexes. Right? Now, start writing the properties of map. Number one, map is a complex data type. First property, map is a complex data type. Map is a complex data type. Next, map contains two values. Map contains two values. Map contains two values. Full stop. First one is called key. First one is called key. Second one is called index. Sorry. First one is called key. Second one is called value. Map contains two values. The first one is called key, and the second one is called value. Next line. Keys cannot be duplicated. Keys cannot contain duplicate. Keys cannot contain duplicate. Right? If duplicate exists, full stop. If duplicate exists, if duplicate exists, system takes the last instance. System takes the last instance. If duplicate exists, system takes the last instance. Right? Next, map support map.class. Map supports map.class. Map supports map.class. Clear? Right. Now let's understand map. Let me log in. Rupam @OF117, password CRM1234 hash. Right? Last one. Last point. Map must use map keyword. Map must use map keyword. Map must use map keyword. Now let us see how the map is written. Keep observing. Right? Whenever you're writing a map, you should use a keyword called as map. Like this. Map of what? Map of string comma string. This is the way we write a map. Map contains two values. Key, right? Key and values. Key values. Something like I want to invite couples to my marriage. right? Shah Rukh Khan, Gauri Khan, right? Abhishek Bachchan, Aishwarya Bachchan, right? Next, who else? Right? Don't know? Okay. Our Akshay Kumar, Twinkle Khanna, right? Ritesh Jenilia, right? Ritesh Deshmukh, Jenilia, Telugu actress, Bommarillu actress. She got married to that guy, right? I want to call key value pairs. State capital, Telangana state, Hyderabad, AP, Amravati, Karnataka, Bangalore. Whenever you have two values, we use map. Map take two values as one. Map will take two values as one. It can take only max two values. So this is the way we write. Map of string comma string, state capital, STCP is equals to new map. Map of what? Map of string comma string. In the curly bracket, you will start writing. How do you write? First value equals to arrow second value, comma, key equals to arrow value, key equals to arrow value. This is the way we start writing. For example, key, Telangana state, value, HYD, key, Tamil Nadu, value, CHN, key, AP, value, AMVT. Like this, you will start declaring. Key value pair. Key, Kerala, right? Kerala. Value, TVC, Trivandrum, right? Next, key, Goa. Value, Panaji or Panjim. Guys, able to understand? Suppose again I say KR. Already there is a key called KR. KR, Karnataka. Rather than write KA, I'm using KR. I say BLR, Bangalore. Arrow is gone. Right? This is how you write a map data type. This is how you write a map data type. Everyone clear? Next. Next. Map of. Map of what? Map of integer, comma string. I will say cricket rank. Cricket rank equals to new map. Map of what? Integer, comma string. In the bracket, I will start writing the values. Right? Rank 8. Rank 8. 2. Sachin. Sachin is a string. Sachin, comma. Rank 4 or rank 5 equals to Shami. Rank 2 equals to Dhoni. Right? Rank 6 equals to right, comma.
Yeah, Rubam, we lost you. I can't hear anything.
Uh, Rupam, even I can't hear anything.
It's showing he has some technical issue. Until unless he rejoins, the session will end in 60 minutes. It's showing like that for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, same for me. It's not, he's not audible and he's not even working here. So I think so he is facing
Uh,
some issue.
do we need to rejoin again or we need to stay like this only?
Yeah, let's stay for a minute and then if he
Yeah,
doesn't, then
so that's
let's
better.
stop.
Yeah.
No, stay like this.
Hey. Wow, the speed looks to be awesome. బాగుంది. Online guys, can you hear me? Is it clear? Online guys,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
everybody
yes,
can
sir.
hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Wow, very good. We have a electrical fast speed today.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I think again we lost you.
No, no, no. No, చిన్న ఎందుకు కోపము లేని కోపం ఒక్క రీజన్ చెప్తాను. No, బుజ్జు
Teja, mute your mic.
చిన్ను రుచినా
Online guys, just wait for a few more minutes. Okay, online guys. Right, I'm trying to figure this.
దా మరి చెప్పు చెప్పు ఎందుకు ఏడుస్తున్నావు చెప్పు ఒక్క విషయం చెప్పు ఎందుకు ఏడుస్తున్నావు ఎందుకు దేనికి దేనికి ఏడుస్తున్నావు
Hi, I
Please
think
mute
someone
your voice.
mic is unmuted. Can you please turn?
biology. రాగానే అయితే కనెక్ట్ అయింది. ఇట్ ఇస్ వర్కింగ్. Okay guys, online guys, can you hear me now? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, online everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's hope that this doesn't get disconnected. Okay, perfect. Now here we go, right? So now I go ahead and write system.debug. 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 CRRNK, cricket rank. Both I'm debugging. I click on execute. Did I miss anywhere? Here. Execute. You will see that we get the output, but in the output there is no arrow. The output has equal to. Let it come. Double click. Okay, debug. Now you see. If you observe, system has rearranged the data with the key values. AP, Geo, Goa, Karnataka. If you remember that, we give Kerala and Karnataka. However, the last was Karnataka, if you observe. Let me go back and show you the program. This is the program. The last is KRBLR. System has taken KRBLR. System has overwritten KRTVC. Able to understand? Yes or no? Whichever is the last instance, I gave you one point. Keys cannot be duplicated or keys cannot contain duplicate. If exist, then system will take the last instance. This is the first instance, KR key. Again there is a KR. System will take last. Clear now? Yes. Suppose there is a Sachin. I give one more here, somewhere in the middle. One more.
Unable to hear you, Rupam. Unable to hear you. Still unable to hear you. Unable to hear you.
Couldn't hear you, Rupam. Hi, is anyone able to hear?
No, no.
No, we cannot.
Okay, thank you.
No.
Yes, it's just totally lost.
Still no.
Okay, online guys, can you hear me? Online guys,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me? Online guys.
Yes, Rubham. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Is it clear or it's breaking?
Clear, sir.
Online guys, is it clear or it's breaking?
Yeah, it's all clear.
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Is it clear? Shall we go ahead then with this speed? Okay, perfect. Let's see. We'll not waste the day at least, right? So, got it? How to write a map? Now, the way you see that list has a class, even map has a class. Number one, map.put. Map.put. There is no map.add. List.add, set.add. Map.put. You will say put. Key. Key. Key is, right? Key is image, value, MUM, like this, Mumbai. You cannot give the position. Why? Because it is an unordered. Here you cannot give the
Sir, I think we lost you again.
Unable to hear, sir.
It's not audible, sir.
We couldn't hear you, sir.
let's see. Nidhi Jain is saying hi. Hi Nidhi.
Hello, sir.
Saying hi, no? Speed test. Okay, little bit better. చలో బాగానే ఉందిలే సరిపోతుంది. Yep. Online guys, now can you hear me? Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One minute, online guys. Somebody said no, that internet will not break. Let's see. Hello. Okay. Okay. Sure. Right, sir. Right. Okay. Sure. Okay. Shall we continue? Online, can you hear me? Yes or no?
Yes,
All
sir.
good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All good, sir.
Yes, sir. Hey, sorry, today there is a little issue happening here. Looks like the net connection is not good. Let me do one thing. Shall we wind up today? Because they will change the router. Let's
Okay,
wind up.
sir.
Yes, sir, because we have not
Yes,
done
sir.
anything for 1 hour, so let's wind up.
What is the time? 8:55.
Yeah.
So they want to change this router connection right now.
Yeah, no
Okay,
problem.
sir. No problem, Rupam.
No problem,
What do you
sir.
say? If you
We
tell me
have
to
all
take, I'll
the
take.
no,
No
sir.
issue,
We
sir,
have
but
all.
let's wind up for today, sir. No issue.
Let's finish the
We
map
have a lot
first.
of things to revise it.
Yeah, I know that. Right? Let us do one thing. We will complete the map. Right? Okay. So let's go ahead. I'll take another 10-15 minutes. Then I'll leave. Right? So, number one, whenever you want to insert a data in a map, we use what? Map dot put. Now I click on execute. I double click on it. I click on debug. You will see that system has inserted Maharashtra. Here, MH equals to Mumbai. System has inserted the Maharashtra. Remember that we cannot define the position of a data in a map. The reason is that map is an unordered, it's an unordered, right, collection. Why? Always the key is a set. Because I said key has to be unique. Notepad. Let me open and explain. How does we write the map? We use a keyword called as map. M-A-P. Map is the keyword that we use. Map of what? Map of key, comma, value. This is the way defined. I told you that a key cannot be duplicate. In other words, map is actually set, comma, list. Because values can be duplicate, but keys cannot be duplicate. If there is a duplicate, system will remove and it will take the last one. If there are 20 keys same, KR, 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 system will take the last KR, right? And it will rearrange the data in a increasing order. Getting it? So hence, you cannot position a data in a map. System will rearrange in an alphabetical order or with a numerical order. 1, 2, 5, 6, 8. Even though you put 8 first, system will rearrange the data by the key. It's a key value pair. Clear? Next. Second one. Map dot remove. Second one, 02. Map dot remove. If you want to remove, then we have to give the index. And here the index is key. Key is the index. What do you want to remove? I want to remove geo. I want to remove geo. Goa. What is my map? My map is STCP. STCP.remove. Now I will say system.debug STCP. What will I have? I will not have Goa in my output. Double click on it. I click on debug. There is no Goa here. See, in the earlier there was a Goa. Here we have removed Goa. So map.remove, map.add, right? Map.put, there is no add command. Map.put. Next, 03. I want to take only the keys out. I want to take only the keys out. Keys. So map.keyset. What is the command? Map.keyset. Keyset. What is my map? STCP. All this I will put in system.debug. system system.debug. System.debug. Inside system.debug, I have said map.keyset. What will I get? I will get only the keys. I will get TS, TN, AP, KR, GO, only one KR. There will no two KR because keys are set. Set are unordered. That means the data I'll get in arranged order. I will get A first. AP will come first. Then we see whatever in the alphabetical order. Right? I say execute. Double click here. I click on debug. See that AP KR was 2 times, but here it is 1 time. MH TNTS. It is rearranging the key. Even though in my list AP was in the 3rd position, but now see that AP came in the 1st position because keys are set. Set is unordered, right? Set cannot contain duplicates. There are 2 KR, only 1 we have. Ardhamautunda everyone? Yes or no? Next, I want only the values. Only the values. So it is map.values. Map.values. I will put this inside system.debug. I will put this inside system.debug. Right? System.debug map. What is that? STCP. STCP.values. This will give me list. This will give me list. That means if there are duplicates, don't worry, duplicate will be here. For example, by knowingly okay, duplicate will give. Right? Hyderabad, Tamil Nadu capital is also Hyderabad. This is a value. This is a value. Amravati is a value. TVS is a value. Right? Now I click on execute. I double click on it. I click on debug. See, there are 2 Hyderabad's. Because it Tamil A first A, right? What is that? Right? Let us see. And moreover, this is unordered. Remember that, right? System is this is an right. Now, whenever it's an order unordered, there are 2 things. In Salesforce, order means the order in which you are giving the data, same way it will return. That is called order. But in our mathematical definition, order means ascending order. Here it's opposite. Unordered means, in Salesforce language, unordered means arranging in ascending order. Ardhamautunda? Opposite. In mathematics, unordered means jumble. But in Salesforce, unordered means ascending order. Set is an unordered. That means set is an actually in mathematical language order. Unordered means ascending order. Ardhamautunda? Opposite of what you understand, here it's opposite. Clear? See, there are duplicates are there because it's a list. So you can see set and list. Keys are set. Values are lists. Ardhamautunda? Same way. I want to know how much data is there inside this. 05. Map.size. Map.size. What is my map? STCP. I will say system.debug. System.debug. Now I will get number of pair. Don't see that if there are 5 pairs, I'll get 10 answer. No, it will give you 2 values is 1 value. I told you in the starting. 2 values will be 1 value, right? Shah Rukh Khan, Gauri Khan. It is one value. Abhishek Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. One value, not two. So remember that. So if I click on execute, I will get total number of values inside the map. Right? Same thing, what you have learned there. See, total 5 are there. 5. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. AP, KR, MH, TN, TS. 5. Clear? Next, map dot is empty. 06. Map dot is empty. This will give you what? Boolean. Now I will get false. System dot debug. System dot debug. Right here I will get false. Execute. Map is my STCP.
Yeah, STC.
Execute. Right. I double click on it. You will get what? False. False. Next, map dot clear. Map dot clone. Map dot clear. Map dot contain keys. Right? I want to see, let's take this. Map dot contain key. Do we have any key called as JK, Jammu Kashmir? No. My map is STCP. System.debug. Everybody in the class able to understand? Yes or no? Right? Execute. Double click on it. Right? Answer is false. There is nothing called JK. In the map, there is no key called JK. Right? Map dot contain key. Key. Next. 08. Right? Map dot. Right? Clone. Clone. There is a clone and deep clone. Right? Clone and deep clone. Right? Clone and deep clone. There is something called get. Map dot get. I will give the key, give me the value. I will give the key, give me the value. I will say TN. System will give me Hyderabad. Because for TN also we said Hyderabad, if you remember. Tamil Nadu equals to Hyderabad. Or give AP. Then it will give you AMBT. I'll give the key, get me the value. Map STCP. System.debug. Right? I'll execute all at a time. Next, 09. Clone. If you want to create a map, then again create one more map. MAP, map. Right? Map. Map of what? Map of, right? String comma string. What is that? STCP2. 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 I've declared a map. Now I will say, right, STCP2 equals to map.clone. My map is STCP. STCP.clone. All the data. What happened? Perfect. Clone. Now I will say system.debug. System.debug. STCP. System.debug. STCP2. Both will be same because you are cloning. Because you are cloning. Able to understand? Here At line number 30, I will get Amravati. Amravati and 2 times same list you will be able to see. Execute. Map.clone. See, Amravati. 2 times same list. Because you clone. Now I can clear the first. I can empty the H key. 10. Map dot clear. Container is there, but inside that data is removed. Again, you can say map dot put, and you can put new things inside that. stcp dot clear. Now, if I use stcp dot is empty, I will get the answer as true because you are clearing stcp. Right now, if I say stcp dot is empty, here I should get answer as true because you are clearing the empty stcp. You are clearing at line number 39. So if I run this, I should get true. The last answer should be true. There is no values. True. Same thing what you did in list and set. Map also same. Anything which is about indexing, here it is called key. Right? Here it is known as key. Key is nothing but index. Most used command is this. 7th one. Most used command. Sorry, not 7th one. Key set. Yeah. 3rd one. 3rd one is mostly used. Remember this. Map.keyset, 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 map.keyset by hearted. When I'll come to my OOPS programming, I'll be using map.keyset left and right. That time, don't think keyset right? Map.values, mostly widely used. These two are the only which is widely used, you have to remember. And map.put, map.put. Yeah, first one. We don't say map.add, map.put. Now, keep watching. Open your Google eyes and keep watching. Right? Map is a complex data type. Beyond your imagination, map is complex. Keep watching. Map of. Map of. I'm zooming little so that you can see it clearly. Map of string, comma string. What is my map name? CMPLX, complex. I declared a map. It's an empty map. There is no new. I'm not inserting a new data. If I insert a new data, then I will say equals to new map. I just declared an empty container. If you want to insert a data, then you use a word called as new. Now I'm declaring a bagona, but inside that bagona, I'm not placing anything. So I'll not declare new. Right? If I highlight this, right, and if I run execute highlighted, no error at all. That's it. And if you say system.debug, there will be nothing. Why opening? If I say system.debug, in this there is nothing because that's an empty bagona. Now keep watching. Map of key value. Here I will say list of integer or string. Map of string comma list of string. Ante ఏంటిది AP and AP cities. In AP, how many cities are there? Let's take some prominent city, Vizag, right? Ichapuram, Amlapuram, right? Vijayanagaram, right? Vijayawada. AP has same way Tamil Nadu, same way TS, Telangana state, Hyderabad, Nalgonda, What else? Nizamabad, Karimnagar. List of string. State list of string. Ardhamavutunda ippudu? Till here it's all good if I'm not wrong. Every state capital 1:1. Now I'm not saying state capital. I'm saying state list of districts. In every state there might be 10-12 districts. Telangana has 12 districts, Andhra has 8 districts, let's say Tamil Nadu has 14 districts, right? Maharashtra has 21 districts. So one value is to 21, one value is to 8, one value is to 12. Ardhamavutunda? Till here it's all good? Right. Up to second level it's good. Now third level. I will say no. Map of list of map of string, no, integer, comma string. Now it is quite difficult to understand. At the third level, your brain is now hitting, right? In the starting string is a state, AP. I am storing AP with districts. Why I am not storing AP capital and districts? AP capital Amravati, 12 districts. Telangana capital Hyderabad, Karimnagar, Nizamabad, Nalgonda, Mahbubnagar, 12 districts. I want to store 3 data. Then in the string I will say map of string comma string. This will store state capital and this will store, right, districts, inside district, Okoka district, right, ranking of the cities, ranking of the villages. Ardhamavutunda how the data I'm trying to take? State capital, Telangana state, Hyderabad is mapped to Karimnagar. Again, Karimnagar has 5-6 villages. Rank 1 goes to Turkapalli, rank 2 goes to Peddapalli, rank 4 goes to Manchiryal. Again, second district, Mahbubnagar. Inside Mahbubnagar, there are 12 villages. You can make complex of a complex data using a map. Ardhamavutunda? If you can imagine, up to 2 level we're imagining. Think up to 10-12 levels. State capital, right? And then number of districts, 12 districts. In each district there are some villages. That village I want to rank. So here it is. See? Ardhamavutunda? Inside the village, in one village, caste and people. A caste entamandi. Then I will say here string. Again I will say map of caste comma number of people. Caste is a string. String comma integer. String comma integer. See how my maps is getting complex? By looking at it, nobody will understand what is going on. Right? Able to understand? Now if I run it and execute it, absolutely no error. Execute. You can create a complex data using a map. Remember that. You can create a complex data using a map. This whole Control X. I will map to country India now. Map of country. Country is what? String, comma. State capital is already mapped. Control V. This is India. In Pakistan also states are there. In US also states are there. In state they also have a district. They also have a village. Able to understand what I'm doing? So map of this whole control X. I can map with planets. I can map with in Earth. We have countries. Same way, let's assume that there's another planet, imaginary planet. There also they might have countries. Inside countries there might be state. So map will take what? Key value. Here my key is planet. Planet is nothing but string. Earth, EARTH. Earth is nothing but string. String comma. Here the whole country, from country to state capital to district to rank of a village. It's a complex data type. Now if I say execute, no issues at all. Not a single error. Placing a data inside this is nothing but pompa munching. In this, if you want to put a data now, you can do that, but it will take at least 5-6 hours for you to understand. Yella data better. You have to think, and you have to put a data layer by layer. You have to put the data step by at a time. You can't put. Always you have to put the data from the inside. First, you have to create caste and number of people. When that is ready, put it inside the other one. When that is ready, put it inside the outer one. If that is ready, put it inside the outer one. Always you have to start from the inner, and then you have to keep on coming to the outer. If you start doing from the outer and then want to go to inner, it's not possible. See, in real life, the world will be not as difficult like this. But in map, you can have a complex data type. That is the reason the first line I gave you is map is a complex data type. Like this, the data will be arranged. Clear? Right? Perfect. Everybody understood? Understood the logic. I don't want you to go inside this and make your brain. Right? Can I do that like this? Yes, you can. Right? Manam chesukovacha leda is yes. Right? Clear now? Right? This is how the map data type works. This is how the map data type works. Clear now, everyone? Shall we stop here? Right? Tomorrow we will see enum, and tomorrow we will see if else statement. And tomorrow again I'll be moving here. Right? So today, as of today, no homework. Do it like this. Tomorrow again I'll give you start doing it. Now, before you go, I gave you a homework to reverse a number. Reverse it. Right. When you have map.class, list.class, set.class, why don't you have a string.class? String.class. Arthamavutunda leda? Map.put, map.add, map.size. String.size kuda undali kada mari? String.size aithe it will give me the total number of character in that string. Rupam Chakravarti 17. It will come back. Rather than me counting. Able to understand my logic? Here we go. You don't need to reverse. Already there is a method called as string.reverse. See? Contains, compare, contains, caps, whether it contains number, whether it contains spaces, whether it's ending with pom, rupam, anupam, shupam. I want to know whether a given word is ending with pom. What will you do? You will just come and say string dot end with pom. Answer will be yes. String name equals to rupam. Name dot end with pom. Answer is true. Arthamavutunda what I am saying? Yes or no? Right? Let's remove everything. By the way, Control C.
Sir,
Copy
I want
paste
to take
this
a
in the chat
screenshot.
window,
Yeah,
right?
thank you.
I remove string nm equals to Rupam. My requirement in the string, is there a form? Yes. How will you know? Because you are able to see. If you are not able to see, then if the class is covered, then how will you know? Then I will say string dot class, string dot, right? Integer dot, decimal dot. In Salesforce, every data type has a class, right? String dot. What was the one I should take? Ends with. Ends with. Where is that? Ends with. See? Ends with form. What is my string? nm. nm dot ends with form. This will give me true or false. System dot debug. Arthamavutunda, all, everyone. My answer will be true. I want to reverse this. MOPUR. I told this is the homework I gave you. Simple over. What is that? String dot reverse. See, remove REV. Reverse. What is my string? NM. System dot debug. You don't need to break your head. Nothing. Simple one class is available. Does it contain a number? How will you understand? Answer is no, it doesn't contain a number. Does it contain a capital? Yes. Does it contain small? Yes. Does it contain special characters? No. For all these you have a class. Is numeric? Answer is no. String dot is numeric? No, there is no numer. Arthamavutunda? Is space? Yes. After Rupam there is a space I gave. All these things, see, now I am executing it. Execute, double click, I'll get true. See, form true, and it made a reverse also. So whenever we give some requirement, don't try to break your head. First check the class. One line answer. Over. String dot class, decimal dot class, integer dot class, right? Every data type, id dot class, block dot class, double dot class, right? Long dot class, right? Everything has a boolean dot class, boolean dot class. Everything has a class. Inside the class, methods are there. These are inbuilt methods. Already program has been written to reverse. We are just calling them and using. Everybody is able to understand? Yes or no? Perfect. Right? We'll stop here today. That's it. Right? Let's meet tomorrow, same time. Right? So till then, thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day. So take care, guys. Bye-bye.